This is my toasted Belachan. I just did it using a frying pan. Let me show you how I did it and turn a block of Belachan into this grounded powder form. Put it in a jar, keep it in the freezer, and it will last for months to be used in the nyonya cooking. Let me show you how I did it. You probably can see behind me is actually the door to my apartment in Penang. I have to do it outside the apartment, otherwise it's gonna stink the apartment. So what I've just done is I have used a fry pan to fry a block of Belachan and turn it into a grounded powder form. And then I'm gonna jar this in a bottle and put it in the freezer. That is going to last for several months. It will be used for my nyonya cooking. Here is the Belachan. So that's how I do it here at home to toast my Belachan. A better way, of course, if you want, is to use a grill on a barbecue or use the grill in the oven. But remember, it really has a very strong, pungent smell. So better to do it outside, which is what I just did. I did it outside the apartment. A very short video just to show you how I toast my Belachan. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!